first thing was energy efficiency, and everything was below that. I definitely wanted to have an energy efficient house because the cost of energy keeps going up.
We have never had a new home. This is our 5th home and our first new one, and it's been a real good experience, and I like it because it's the first time I have everything's brand new.
It was a great experience from beginning to end. We love our new house, and we'd love to have new neighbors in a new tradition home.
By the end of the decade, there'll be over 2 million Energy Star homes built. It's clear that Energy Star homes are offering the features that new homeowners are desiring. In addition, Energy Star home guarantees them lower utility bills, higher home performance, greater comfort, and in the long run, they'll offer a higher resale value.